Good morning, children. Welcome to Madonna School. How are you all? I hope you are all doing good. I am Mrs. Jayashree, your GK teacher. Children, let's start our class by watching a video.
Suit. Pajamas. Cardigan. Dress. Sleep. Jacket. Evening gown. Sweater. Blouse. Mini skirt. Long skirt. Plaited skirt. Business suit. Casual dress.
Children, did you all enjoy the video? Okay, very good. In previous class, I taught you about male clothes. Can anyone guess what is today's topic? Okay, let me introduce today's topic. That is female clothes. Children, we all wear clothes to protect ourselves from cold, heat, rain, to cover our body and to look smart. What is this? Sari. Repeat, children. Sari. A sari is a women's garment of an unstitched drape varying from 4.9 to 9 meters in length and 600 to 1200 millimeters in breadth. That is typically wrapped around the waist. What is this, children? Sari. Repeat, children. Sari. What comes next? What is this? Gown. Repeat, children. Gown. A gown is a long, elegant dress worn on formal occasions. It is a women's dress or robe, especially one that is in full length. What is this, children? Gown. Gown. What comes next? What is this? Frock. Repeat, children. Frock. Frock is a dress worn by a girl or a woman, a loose outer garment worn by peasants and workers. What is this, children? Frock. Frock. What comes next? What is this? Sweater. What is this? Sweater. A sweater is a piece of clothing, typically with long sleeves, made of knitted material that covers the upper part of the body. Sweaters are made from wool, cotton, and synthetic fibers. During winter, the temperature of surroundings is very low as compared to our body temperature. Heat flows from our body to the surroundings and we feel very cold. So, we wear warm clothes to prevent the heat loss from the body. That's why we wear sweaters in winter. What do we wear in winter? What do we wear in winter? We wear sweater in winter. Repeat, children. What do we wear in winter? We wear sweater in winter. What is this? Skirt. Repeat, children. Skirt. A skirt is the lower part of a dress or a separate outer garment that covers a person from the waist downwards. What is this, children? Skirt. Repeat, children. Skirt. What is this? Salwar suit. Repeat, children. Salwar suit. The salwar, popularly known as the Punjabi suit, is the traditional dress of women in the Punjab region. From small children to old ladies wear salwar suit. What is this, children? Salwar suit. What comes next? What is this? Blouse. Repeat, children. Blouse. Blouse. What comes next? What is this, children? Ribbon. Repeat, children. Ribbon. A ribbon is a thin band of material typically made up of plastic or cloth tied or worn in a woman's hair. What is this, children? Ribbon. What girls wear in their hair? What girls wear in their hair? Girls wear ribbon in their hair. Girls wear ribbon in their hair. What is this, children? Nightgown. Repeat, children. Nightgown. A nightgown is a loosely hanging item of nightwear worn by women. What is this, children? Nightgown. What do women wear at night? What do women wear at night? Women wear nightgown at night. Repeat, children. What do women wear at night? Women wear nightgown at night. Children, let us recall the things what we learned in today's class about female clothes. Sari. Repeat after me, children. Sari. Frock. Frock. Sweater. Sweater. Skirt. Skirt. Salwar suit. Salwar suit. Gown. Gown. Blouse. Blouse. Ribbon. Ribbon. Nightgown. Nightgown. Children, take picture dictionary book from students kit. Picture dictionary book. Open page number 25. Open page number 25, children. Page number 25. Lesson number 19, female clothes. Lesson number 19, female clothes. Repeat after me, children. Sari, sari. Gown, gown. Frock, frock. Sweater, sweater. Skirt, skirt. Salwar suit, salwar suit. Blouse, blouse. Ribbon, ribbon. Nightgown, nightgown. Questions and answers. Repeat after me, children. Questions and answers. What do we wear in winter? What do we wear in winter? We wear sweater in winter. We wear sweater in winter. What girls wear in their hair? What girls wear in their hair? Girls wear ribbon in their hair. Girls wear ribbon in their hair. What do women wear at night? What do women wear at night? Women wear nightgown at night. Women wear nightgown at night. Repeat once again, children. What do we wear in winter? We wear sweater in winter. What girls wear in their hair? Girls wear ribbon in their hair. What do women wear at night? Women wear nightgown at night. Children, learn question and answers from the lesson Female Clothes. Thank you, children. Bye bye. See you in the next class.